Assalamu alaikum. And hello YouTubers. Pro 2 is here. In this video, I will share with you guys on how to repair Philips Perfect Care Aqua Iron Steamer. If the steam ironing station makes heating noises boiling water but does not produce any steam, usually the water pump is faulty. This is how I done it. And it works for me very well. For this DIY project, I am referring Philips user manual as a guide. I will leave a link below this video in case you need this manual. To confirm that this water pump is faulty, remove this rinse capacity. If there is no water coming out from here, it means that the water pump is damaged. The pump supplies water to the steam generator's heating element. If the pump no longer working, the water won't be able to enter the element. This will result in no steam being produced. If the pump has failed, it will need to be replaced. Put the rinse capacity back. Drain the water that is still in the tank. Place this water tank iron upside down. Remove the 5 screws at the bottom of the water tank. Turn the tank over again and pull the tank separate from the bottom. Remove the 2 white hoses attached to the iron tank. Place the tank aside. Release the 2 wires red and blue from the old pump. Push the grey rubber that hold the pump using a screwdriver. You can also use a plier to pull the rubber from its place. Next, the pump must be separated from the generator hose. Turn the pump anti-clockwise to release from the hose. We will be using back these 2 grey rubber to mount the new pump. This black plastic will also be reused on the new pump. Take off the left and right red caps on the pump. Install the 2 grey rubber left and right on the pump. And install the black plastic hose. Assembly is done by following the steps in reverse order. I put a shrink tube on this red wire to make it sturdy. Make sure this blue wire also sturdy. Reinstall the two hoses on the pump. And install the iron tank. Reinstall the 5 screws on the iron base. And the installation complete. Time to test this steam iron. Fill the tank with water. Then turn on the iron. Use this information at your own risk. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of any tools and equipment, or from the information contained in this video, the user must take responsibility. If you think this video helpful for you, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy cautiously and good luck. Pro2 DIY.